Good evening, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silver. Yeah, this year we discuss a lot about Ghana football, about Asante Kotoko. Did I say Ghana football? About Asante Kotoko. I think saying we all want the Blasters in tea. It be anything Ghana football about. Surprisingly, I don't know if you know, yeah, Sudan about 0-0. Areho esere. Areho esere. Well, that's not why we are here. Here we talk about Kotoko. By Ghana for so not a lucky day for the Blasters. And you bet me I said the Blasters did not really get a lucky day because I said na chances kaka. Fatal dear Bako Bana Bonipa Kudus dear boy almost empty net na keeper channel what again? Inaki dear Baku or boy keeper na channel. Remember, I said kudos nya corner be second half. I think the second half was a bit better, but the most important thing is to get a win. When you win, and I'm uncommon. I be well. Spirit no from nyanga sa say. How be kasa say the coins kakra gu so. But abana sa. To ado say ebeko we akwa akoshe. Yes, if Ghana win on all the other 3 games, we can still qualify. Oh, Asante Kotoko team ni bi US. Now, the game against DC United in Tinia Transfer. I think before the Blasters game around 3 o'clock now, me make a Facebook post announcing say Asante Kotoko I withdraw a free a year the game and me the details be well. Asante Kotoko now the statement about Bontin. So let's just go through the statement. Na yemfa de aka short na. Yemfa that news or on social media de aka short na. Official statement. Withdrawal of Asante Kotoko FC from the Capital City African Cup. It is with a deep regret that we announce our decision to withdraw from the Capital City African Cup scheduled to take place in Washington, D.C. Saturday, 12 October 2024. Taking a view. It is with a deep regret that we announce our decision to withdraw from the Capital City African Cup scheduled to take place in Washington, D.C. on Saturday, 12 October 2024. Next, Asante Kotoko say, regret the nice regret three a day. Regret enuhu. Say all boy nyina amane say Capital City African Cup no watching ho afiri. Despite our ongoing discussions with the event organizers and the expectations that the visa challenge faced by our contingent would be resolved by Thursday evening, 10th October 2024, the necessary visas for the full squad and technical team have unfortunately not been secured in time. Now I say, I don't say nkomodi egusu koso de but ade a no many daso no yese na Asante Kotoko team no omo pe visa by enan numere na mom visas no mmere na ese nka organizers ne nsa ka ede ma Asante Kotoko company for no ase mmere no apa. Given these hurdles, the club has determined that we are unable to proceed with participation in this year's game. Nese akwensidi ahoto a abegu Asante Kotoko enimu nti no club no siginaye se efri sabre obola chitafo amane se match no ontimi mbo. Throughout this process, we have maintained our professionalism and patience, working diligently with all involved parties to exploit every possible avenue for a smooth participation. Asante Kotoko mpanimfoɔ sɛ saa bere yi a nsɛm ne kɔba nyinaa wɔn de wɔadi wɔn ho nipa na wɔn asan nya abotire kama asan nya ɔtwɛn honhom anya abotire ama mpanimfoɔ ahodoɔ a dwumadie hyɛ wɔn nsa sɛ akɔnya biara nka wɔn Asante Kotoko betumi ayɛ ama wɔn atumi akɔbɔ bɔɔl no wɔn ayɛ ne nyinaa. However, due to the circumstances beyond the club's control, it is now in the best interest of the club to focus on our immediate priorities. Na sɛ nneɛma ɛboro Asante Kotoko no n'ahoɔden so ne nyansa ne nimdeɛ nti no deɛ yɛ papa ɛma ekuo no ɛyɛ sɛ obeteki decision sɛ paano match no minya mbɔ bio. That is in or no clubs no the best interest. We understand that our decision may disappoint our supporters who were eager to see Asante Kotoko compete on the international stage. However, this course of action reflects on our commitment to ensure that the clubs operate under conditions that uphold our standard and values. Wɔn sɛ wɔn wɔ gyidie sɛ nka akyitaafoɔ a nka mopɛ sɛ mu Asante Kotoko sɛ ɔbɔ bɔɔl ɛwɔ amanɔne international stage kɛseɛ so no wɔn nim sɛ decision yɛ aba sɛ club na twe ne ho ɛde afiri competition no bɛha mo na mmom ha ne hia ɔsɛ however however, due to circumstance, however, this course of action reflects on our commitment to ensuring that the club operates under conditions that uphold the standard and values. Yo baby, I Asante Kotoko duru. And ya won nyoma ye di Asante Kotoko na makuo no enyina ba beduru sabre. Enti se be chitafo ni bi ya se munhu Asante Kotoko so mo bɔ soro na emom monka hunu se sɛnea club ni din yan toto nase na ne muduo no yan fa ntwi fam nti no ɛna ɔma take saa decision na enye se ɔmo mpɛ sɛ mo amo achichi ni bencha mbahwe mhwe Kotoko na hwerem na emom eyekuo na ho bambo nti ɛna ɔma take this decision. Okay. As a result, we wish to make it clear that the brand Kotoko is not associated with any game or any activity related to the Capital City African Cup. And now, as a result, we wish to make it clear that the brand Asante Kotoko is not associated with any game or any activity related to the Capital City African Cup. Saa deɛ a Kotoko ateki agudie bie ni hɔ a yɛde Asante Kotoko brand no ebe bata African Cup no anaasɛ yɛbɛhu sɛ ɔmo de ɔmo agye bibia mu ɛwɔ African City Cup ya ebe kɔso. We also wish to inform our supporters that the first contingent, including 7 players and technical staff currently in the United States of America, will return to Ghana on Sunday, 13th October 2024. Tomo Sadi Atuja said, no kromo jini se nkofo be bisa questions. Na Kotoko achi halfway players ya kwim, omo ye dey, omo say yen kan kire mo say. Kwesiada 13th, omo ba Ghana. Players nson plus technical team, omo ba Ghana. Aba beto omo dwumadie so. Upon their return, the club will immediately shift its focus. There's building a strong Ghana Premier League season, ensuring continuous success in the domestic campaign. Ghana League. Asante Kotoko remain faithful, remain fully committed to upholding the reputation, dignity, and values of the club, We are grateful to our fans for their understanding and continuous support during this period. Letter newa. Almost say, I see a honor cross then. See a honor can be. See honor can be a medepa. Bobo bibi. So say reputation, dignity, and value. Among fine chuchu form. Among say no. Ombebo hon ba me bibia akoye. Enti omo de chitafo ni nyina ase. Ewo bre amanya ede amom. Ewo saa nhihye nyina mu. Komo nyina bre amanya mom. Ene nkomo am, ene abotra amanya mom no. Omo da mo nyina amase. They say me sure say question here has been answered. Almost say they will not associate themselves with any game. The brand Kotoko will not be associated with any game. Enti enya de a yedi youth team players bi be so Kotoko so amo akọ any game. Sana me meti ase. Also no am be catch am say Kotoko jesi ni mpo no. Ya ma jesi na free Ghana. Because na na penkra wa Ghana. To order no to two instructions ni ko UK. Ti jesi no omo ka so make keep Kotoko jesi no ha. Enu nti no se asem bi wo ha omo maka no komo omo aka na Ghana ni nya visa na nke de jesi na kan no omo ko. But ntimi amba ne sa ena awia na menya sa info no. To be on monitor me bia on Facebook there. Mu se me trotto ho. Enu say na later who say Blasters game me koso. Club na ankasa post official communique on the Capital City Cup. What will say the brand Kotoko? In my understanding, player Bia is an asset of Kotoko and therefore part of the brand Kotoko. The memetias here no. Inti na obi oti Oyepa FM bia me kan say enra numere nkoma media near the atumanim say there will be no Kotoko players nko fra obi for any game, and if any issue the club will come out with a statement. They may pick free US near say the Ghanaian players never bought us what do you call it? Ghana select side. But based on this statement, it means that any asset of Kotoko that represent the brand of Kotoko will have nothing to do with the cap. Meaning Kotoko players now kon bobo nibi. Sana memeti statement ya sefa. Intebi de Howard University. Ghana for na hon baby ana Kotoko training. Howard University for and ebi ombema omabo match. Nyantwe nkop much na. Me dey me nka hwe. I might have certain info that I may not be able to disclose. Until the me ntwe nkop much na. Based on this statement, menti ase no any info bi a mekuta no bo abura kakra. Yeah. There are things going on behind the scenes. Meaning so organizers in the omo pa Asante Kotoko company for chopa. Omo pa omo cho so omo sere omo. The omo players ni emfa Ghana fo bi mfra. Me ensure omo ebi a Ghana jesi. Na nkomo mfa mbo ni enka say Ghana select side. In this case, enye the brand Kotoko. And Abobon, they are begging for that. That one is something I can say. Say they are begging. So, born ya ton ya makotoko echitafo more. Abi brave the chire neba. So mo ba no ma hu Kotoko player bia entimi Kotoko player bia ntwa picture. Oh, they need to see something Kotoko. Yes, I say yamboa omo. That is what some of the organizers are saying. But Asem way yebekum mrepem. Na the media officer of Asante Kotoko ekodru hono. Yesi debi obi edi kan ba ha as a media officer for the match nana from Ghana into wo de no fato je eden. How? Because the first group that you must secure visas for them is the players ekodi agro. Radio ye. See, a time as Sony a commentary. Oh, you might even be a presenter at a radio station. But if you are not on duty, car na ye de call. yɛde machines equal technician or akɔ set up for the friend obi no ne ho hia kyɛn wo presenter wo need duty me use my adwuma as an example sɛ yɛkɔ baba sports station ne yɛkɔ commentary yɛwɔ technicians be two a baako ɛboa internet baako aboa mixer ne ade baako bɛ pull on bɛ mount sɛ ne on bɛ pick signal from stadium straight to radio station your commentators are yet designed for the game. Maybe a game, you need two commentators and maybe are two panel members. Together, or maybe per six. So can be see why sa nipa kuo plus machines are microphone, maybe a router, power, mount, maybe go stadium, or how ye obi ne free what ya ban. So sa call for name koya. Wow, any other presenter won't change, and you have to wait because omo na ekwaye adwuma no. They say commentator no ko, they say analyst for the day no ko, they say technician on the ground no ko. Obetia ka say yes technician in yes sports. Nti say wow yes sports e bia only duty no na say okọ first. But the point is who only duty nti who ko duru na technician na ntimi ambedura. Obi na e be dai, nti be tranchen, be twen. So you can be a football person. But the main activity is around the footballers. And it's a footballers now. You can be a football person. But also if the footballers are not there to play the game. He says, not football for this is the kind of disgrace that happens. And we see a sinibini. If the footballers may say, you can be a management member. I'm being honest, you can be a management member. Okay. But you're quite camper. We so be a management member. You're quite camper. And I news in the bus, you say, you are not place, dear, you are not penny fully could be. Yes, sir. Yes, I net you. That is not it. The players are fed first. Only a moment they need first. Sometimes, maybe a team manager be the car for tear because on all test the no. There be a players maybe be one team manager team could be 12 and a for issues. Okodina am fan yemu and a bibi atona. Aha, then I have caution for the players. The team manager. Oh, and a biam we be you be out of shade and first. And sana later players number. But it can be feed players in every and sana more trainer more part of the contingent. My baby did. Yes, said Asiana Akano, but they first. Yako camper. Players near mom hotel room first, and sana woman member, Yamama room. Till do na team manager and operations manager na room dada. To do I know ye players need their mom. 2-man member no, bepe baby at nakakra. The room na se players ne de na nso a ana eso na esa fa na be woman member cause ono na ekodi agro no ni ho awu ni ho you are managing him if he's not there you have no job ti omo di kan ko jeje versus no se moko players na ebe bobo na ntimi amba ebe ndey agro na mba so enungwase aba it's sad. It's disappointing. But what I can say is that Ochra and our Saturday match nebebaso. But a Ghana select side. That is what I can say. Match nebebaso. But a Ghana select side. But based on this statement, it means that no Kotoko player will be part of the Ghana select side. A baby, our boys be all honor. And no member because statement, you know. So I consider the brand Kotoko will not be associated with anything. So the coach of Kotoko cannot sit on the bench. But this and there, and our return ticket in there is expected say yeah after the game. Because no more expecting Ghana for them one say home. Now come and ball. Means what you see there. It's definitely in ticket no return be after the match no be return. So you have to understand why they will wait till Sunday before they come. Every Obeka so added a statement in Abane. na nka ọchena no ọma akọ no mbu ọm kete mu mba na bi ọm bedi ọchena ọhọ ọm spend memene da ọhọ anso no ba Sunday. But you all know say born was on Saturday. So be all your arrangement be will book your return ticket after the game. We are near Kasatenting. And we all know this. That's our never. It is our pepe naba. Tien train. Na I am seeing a Jenna Samba pa. Omojo mo Samba. Tien who pise Samba nebe kosa sanye ya peke na se omojo mo Samba na. We believe that sana Samba nebe kwa akopime wiye. Na bibia aye fine ewo ho. Na yedi aseda so amenyame ewo hihye ahodo a aba beto yanim ebi wo porcupine stand and ebi so wo SOTV football. Na me adumo chene behia. Bye bye. Ya brepa ma bre bruta. Ba mo do ntine Asem Dey we ba. O chena de akem nyina me bebre. Have a good night. Bye bye.